Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common frustration among Instagram users. DMs not working. Instagram, with its 2.2 billion monthly active users, is undoubtedly one of the most popular social media platforms worldwide. But what do you do when you encounter issues with Instagram DMs? Stick around because we've got you covered. Number 1. Check your internet connection. A faulty connection can often be the culprit behind Instagram DMs not working properly. Grab your phone and let's run a quick speed test. If your speed test results are good and other internet-dependent apps like YouTube or Telegram are working fine, then it's likely not an internet issue. Number 2. Check if the Instagram servers are down. This can happen due to overload, maintenance, or technical faults. One way to stay updated is by following Instagram on Twitter or visiting websites like Is It Down Right Now? For server status updates. If Instagram is indeed facing downtime, unfortunately, there's not much you can do except wait it out. Number 3. Close and restart the app. Sometimes, glitches can occur if the Instagram app has been running in the background for too long. A simple fix is to close and restart the app. Closing and reopening the app can often resolve minor issues with Instagram DMs. Number 4. Log out and sign in again. If restarting the app didn't do the trick, try logging out of your Instagram account and then signing back in. This can help refresh your session and resolve any underlying issues. Logging out and signing back in is a quick and easy troubleshooting step to try. Number 5. Clear Instagram cache. On Android devices, clearing the Instagram app cache can sometimes solve DM-related issues. By clearing the app cache, you're essentially removing temporary data that may be causing conflicts. Number 6. Update the Instagram app. Using an outdated version of the Instagram app can also lead to problems. Make sure you're always running the latest version of the app to avoid glitches. Keeping your apps updated ensures you have access to the latest features and bug fixes. Number 7. Uninstall and reinstall the app again. If all else fails, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app on your phone. Sometimes a fresh installation can resolve persistent issues with Instagram DMs. Number 8. Try Instagram's web version. If you're unable to use Instagram DMs on the app, consider trying the web version. While not as seamless as the mobile app, it can still get the job done. Number 9. Contact Instagram support. And finally, if none of the previous methods work, don't hesitate to reach out to Instagram support for assistance. Instagram support is there to help, so don't hesitate to report any issues you're experiencing. Well, there you have it. 9 ways to troubleshoot Instagram DMs not working. Remember, these solutions should cover most common issues, but if you're still having trouble, Instagram support is your best bet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.